Good morning, people. Tim coming at you again. I got up this morning, of course, brewed my home roast. But look what cup it's in. Black Rifle Coffee Company. I like this mug, one of my favorite mugs. And no, it's not their coffee. I used to order from them. They got a great product. I like supporting the veterans that run the company. Nothing but good to say about the product. But they're the ones that got me on the idea of roasting my own coffee beans. So I ordered my green coffee, get it mailed in, and then I built a little roaster. I roast my own stuff, and it's really good. Only coffee I'll drink now. So one day, I may give them a run for their money. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. How many of you have been hiking on the trail, or you're at a campsite, and it just happens to be your birthday? Birthday on the trail, birthday camping. To me, that's a great way to spend a birthday. But I got news for you. While you're on the trail, I don't care if you're in the middle of nowhere, you can have your birthday cake. Because Quest Bars has a birthday cake flavored protein bar. And it tastes pretty good. I liked it. You know, there's a lot of these bars. You eat them because you want the protein and, you know, get back on track, a little extra energy. But I like this one. Enough, I'm going to try their other flavors. It says on the package that it's 21 grams protein, 4 grams net carbs, 1 gram sugar, 14 grams fiber. So it's not too bad. And me and my wife are on keto diet. And it's a good diet if any of you are trying to lose weight. I'm not doing it to lose weight. I'm just doing it to stay healthy. But my wife has dropped quite a bit of weight and she's still going down. So it's getting a little easier for her to handle trails. And our goal is to be able to hike further and do more. But these bars, they're great. They're small. Put them in your pocket. You know, I'd actually take several of them. We was out hiking Saturday, and I kind of was feeling run down. We didn't hike far, about 5 miles, but I was just feeling kind of run down. Ate one of these, and I could feel more energy. Another product is Propel. This is raspberry lemonade to replace your electrolytes when you're on the trail. Like the back of this box says, when you sweat, you lose more than water. And these are great. You can put some in your water bottle before you get on the trail if you want to. We normally just drop some of these in our pack. You know, they're small. After we've been on the trail, because we like drinking regular water, but when we've been sweating, have sweated a little bit, we ended up dumping one of these in some more water to get our electrolytes back where they're supposed to be. Small package, benefits from it, don't taste bad at all. I recommend them. We will also try different flavors of these. So good products to carry with you on the trail. You can have your birthday cake on the trail. How great is that? That's just great. And if any of you have birthdays today, happy birthday. Birthdays yesterday or any time other. Happy birthday, everybody. I wish y'all a good day. I hope these videos are informative in some way or another. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Help my channel grow. That's what it's all about. And y'all have a good day.